Hey Corkies, welcome back to corkandjava.com. I'm Billy and this is Bryn, and this is installment 5 of our 12 days of Christmas cocktails. We're doing a punch today. What is it?
It's the holiday Bourbon Punch.
Awesome. Looking forward to it, so stay tuned.
Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine, reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video.
That's right, we are doing a punch today for our 12 days of Christmas cocktails.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's our holiday punch. Let's get to it.
All right, day 5.
So we are not making a full-blown punch. This would typically be something for your holiday party or something like that. We're just gonna do a single serving size just to show you kind of what to expect it would look like and taste like in your party guest's glass.
Right, okay, so I'll read you what the recipe calls for and you can ad lib from there. So first you start with 4 ounces of bourbon.
Okay, tell me everything.
Oh, okay. 4 ounces of bourbon, 1 cup of the pomegranate juice, zest of 1 orange, half cup freshly squeezed orange juice, and a bottle of Prosecco or sparkling wine or champagne, and then pomegranate for garnish.
All right, so we start off with the bourbon base.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be pouring about half an ounce to an ounce, because this is just a single serving cup. All right, so what was the ratio of cranberry pomegranate juice to orange juice again?
So it was half cup of bourbon and then 1 cup of pomegranate juice.
And then
and
orange juice.
half cup of orange juice.
All right. So we'll do a little bit of orange juice, a little bit of orange juice, and this is no pulp.
Yeah, it's heavier on the pomegranate juice than the orange juice.
Yeah, I'll add a little bit more of the pomegranate juice in there, just for good measure.
Right, and then the zest of an orange.
That's the outside, in case you don't know. Ooh, it's zesty.
Alright, and then just top it off with the champagne and the pomegranate for garnish.
Alright, some champagne there. I'll let you do the honors with the pomegranate.
Oh, this isn't anything fancy. No.
There you got it. Alright, let's try this. Oh, this is a great punch.
Yeah?
Definitely with the champagne, it gives it that really nice crispness. And of course, I love mixing just juices together in general. And so like a cranberry orange juice mixture is something I love. And then you add the bourbon and you get kind of that sweet woodiness characteristic on there, which is awesome. This is a great Christmas cocktail, and I love the actual pomegranate in there as well. And you can also garnish this with some rosemary, and it'd be...
Or slice up the orange, or...
Yep.
Yeah, anything.
Yep.
Or, and actually, I think I saw this online, you can freeze the fruit, like in ice cube trays, like the pomegranate or little pieces of orange and stuff, so it's like in the ice. That'd be really cool too.
Yeah, awesome.
Alright guys, make sure you find us online so that you never miss a video. We're on Facebook and Pinterest and Twitter. There's great content and great people there. We're looking forward to seeing you online, so until next time, bottoms up.